Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have been building a gaming PC or planning on an upgrade, I've got some exciting news for you today. AMD Ryzen 7 9850X 3D, the world's fastest gaming processor right now, just hit lowest price ever. And I think this is a big deal. So let's get into the details. When 9850X 3D launched, it came 499 US dollar, and honestly, at that price, most people just stuck with the 9800X 3D because it offered better value for the dollar. The 9850X 3D was faster, yes, but was it $50 faster? For most people, the answer was no. But here's where it changed. Newegg has just listed the Ryzen 7 9850X 3D at $474, and with a $20 promo code, the price drops all the way down to $454. That is the lowest price since launch, a full $45 off of the original price. The AMD Ryzen 7 9850X 3D is AMD's absolute top of the line gaming CPU. It got 8 core 16 thread built on AMD's latest Gen 5 architecture, and it uses AMD's secret weapon 3D V-cache technology, which basically stacks extra cache memory directly on the top of the processor chip. This dramatically improved gaming performance because of the CPU can access game data much faster. Now, most of you probably know Ryzen 7 9800X 3D, that chip been dominating gaming benchmark for a while now. Well, the 9850X 3D is essentially the upgrade and faster version of that. The biggest difference is the boost clock speed. The 9850X 3D can boost up to 5.4 GHz, which is full 400 MHz higher than the 9800X 3D. The best part, AMD keep that TDP at 120 watt. Same power consumption, more performance. That's efficiently done right. Honestly, this is the price drop I have been waiting for. The 9850X 3D was always the better chip, better clock, better performance. But the 499 price tag made it hard to recommend over 9800X 3D. Now the gap is basically gone. If you are rocking the AM5 platform with the older Ryzen 7000 chip, this is probably the best upgrade opportunity right now. You don't need a new motherboard, you don't need a new RAM, you just drop the new CPU and you got the fastest gaming processor on the market. Talking about the price drop, Core Ultra 7 270K Plus also has a price drop. The Core Ultra 7 270K Plus is a part of Intel's brand new Core Ultra 200S Plus series, which Intel's announced on March 11th this year, with retail availability following later that same month. So the chip has only been out just over 2 months, which make this price drop pretty early. Now specs wise, 24 cores combined with 8 performance cores for your heavy workloads and 16 efficiency core for background tasks and multitasking. It supports 24 thread and max turbo frequency of 5.5 GHz and come with 36 MB of Intel Smart Cache. It also supports blazing fast DDR5 7200 memory, which is great for future-proofing build. The chip uses Intel's LGA 851 socket, so you will need a compatible Intel 8000 series motherboard to pair it with. Intel officially priced the Core Ultra 7 270K Plus between $289 US dollar to $299 US dollar MSRP, and for while it was selling even above the range. But right now Amazon is listing just $279 US dollar with free shipping. That's $19 below MSRP. That is the lowest it has been since launch. Now look, $19 isn't a massive discount, but here's the thing. This chip only launched 2 months ago. It's actually quite rare to see brand new Intel desktop CPU drops below its official price this quickly. There's still something about how market is responding to this chip. So there you have it. The AMD Ryzen 7 9850X 3D is now its all-time lowest price, $454 US dollar on Newegg. And in my opinion, this is genuinely one of the best CPU deals we have seen this year. And Intel Core Ultra 7 270K Plus is now available on Amazon for $279 US dollar, which is under $19 MSRP. That's the cheapest we have seen it launch. So it's not a huge discount, but for 2-month-old CPU, that's a meaningful early price drop. All the product links are given in the description, so check it out. Thank you.